Hello friends, this is Praveen. Welcome to ITS Workshop. In this video, I would like to discuss about how to install Hadoop on Linux. So I am using CentOs 7 right now, and let us see how to install. So the first requirement for Hadoop installation is you should be having Java in your system. If you don't have Java, you just do yum update and yum install default JDK. It will help you in installing Java for you. And you can verify your Java installation if you have Java or not. So just give Java space hyphen version. If you see anything like this, it means your Java is installed, and in my case it is 1.8. okay, so the next step is you need to create and set up SSH certificate. So Hadoop uses SSH certificate, which would normally require the user to enter a password if user wants to access its node. So if you want to avoid entering password again and again, you can set this SSH certificate. So just be root user. I want to set up my SSH key using root user, and just give this SSH key is generated. You want to save this file. If you already done this, it will ask you for overwriting. You can say yes. So this key is generated. Second step, we need to copy this key from rd rsa public to authorize underscore key. So you just give this command and this is done. So this key, and then we have copied it. Okay, second step is done. Third step is you need to actually download the Hadoop. So just come to this website apache.org. I'll provide this website in video description section. You can find, and you can choose any mirror. So here you'll find various versions of Hadoop. I would like to go with 2.7.3, and here we need to download this tar file. There are two files, source file and tar file, which is 204 MB. So you can directly download it, or you can do wget for it. So just do wget, or you can directly download it. I have already downloaded. This is the file, Hadoop tar.zz file, and we need to use this. So we need to enter this. I'm coming out of root user. Now as a normal user, I want to enter this file. So if you give ls, you can find this is the downloaded file. So after downloading, you will find this file, Hadoop 2.7.3 tar.zz, and then you can enter it. So for entering, there is one command, tar-xfg. You can use this xfg, then you provide proper Hadoop version. So it will enter for you. If you do ls again, you'll find this enter directory. Now you can move this entered Hadoop files to your desired location. I want to set up at my home directory. So just give move Hadoop with proper version, and this is the source, this is the destination. So home, then username, then Hadoop. So if you do ls again, you can find this is moved to Hadoop directory. Now the second step, fourth step is we need to set up some configuration file. So Hadoop installation is nothing, just download it, enter it, and set some configuration. That's how we install Hadoop. So first requirement is we need to set path in bash rc. So if you want to set path for root user, you just use bash rc, or if you want to set path for normal user, you can use bash underscore profile. So this is your choice. So before editing bash rc, you can check your Java configuration. So you just give this command, update alternatives config Java. You can find three Java configurations are available here. So this is 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. I would like to proceed with 1.7, and from here we just need this path. So before JRE, whatever is there, that is your Java path. So you just copy this and you can paste it somewhere so that we can use it later. And here you can say 2 number. We want to go ahead with 2 number. It doesn't matter if it says permission denied. We just need this path. So we have copied the path. And now open your bash rc. So just become root user. I'm going to set this path using root user. So we are root now, and open vi editor, then bash rc. So in my case, I have done this installation before, so these paths are already set here, and in your case you'll be finding this empty or any other path which you have set. So you can just copy these path, Hadoop variables, and export Java home, Hadoop install, path, and everything from here. You can just copy this. I'll provide all these in video description section. You can just copy, and I'm using vi editor, so just say insert and paste it. So after pasting this, you'll find this. Now here, this is the path which we need to provide for Java home. So in our case, we copied this path in last step. So you come to Java underscore home and you provide this. So after copying, so we have copied this path in last step, and you can provide it here. This is our Java home. And second thing, you need to be careful about your Hadoop install home. So in my case, it is home username, this is Prev, and then Hadoop folder. So this is also we have seen in last step that we have put Hadoop in this location. So you need to provide Hadoop home location and Java home. That's it. So rest thing you can keep, like all other things are just independent, and you just need to set this. So all things are just depending on the previous one. So you just provide Java home and Hadoop home. Now just escape and wq exclamatory. So we have set the path. Now in order to make it permanent, you provide source, then bash rc. Now your path is set, it is permanent, so you can use it. Now the next step after bash rc, we need to edit this configuration file. So open your vi editor and you come to this path. So this is your Hadoop home. So just try to change it. In your case the user can be different, and in my case it is Prev. So come to etc directory, then Hadoop environment.sh. So just open this vi. This configuration also not doing using root user. So I'm just coming out of root user. Then you can provide this vi editor, then Hadoop environment.sh. It is Hadoop hyphen environment.sh. So this is the file we are looking for. Here you can find export Java home. So if you remember, in last step we have copied this Java home, so it is here. Just copy this Java home and provide in SSH directory. So insert and then provide Java home. This is my Java home. So export Java home, and Java home is set. Then say escape colon wq exclamatory, come out of it. So Hadoop environment.sh is set. We provided Java home here. Next step is editing core site.xml. So core site.xml is also under etc Hadoop directory. So open your core site.xml. Core site.xml. This is our core site.xml. Here you'll find this configuration tag. So we need to provide setting for this. So between configuration tag you can provide property. So we are providing fs default name here, and in my case I would like to give localhost, and this is the port number on which we want to run our HDFS. So you just copy this property and insert and paste it. So property fs default name localhost, so we are setting one property here, and that's it. You just say escape wq exclamatory, it is saved. Next step is we need to edit yarn site.xml. So yarn site.xml is also under etc folder. So just open yarn site.xml. Here also you'll find this configuration tag. We need to provide this configuration. So here we are setting two properties: node manager auxiliary services, MapReduce shuffle, and shuffle class. So these properties you can set. So I'm just copying these, insert, so two properties are set, this first property and this is second property. So just say escape and wq. So core site.xml is set, yarn site.xml is set. Next step is you can set your mapred site.xml. So file which has to be renamed or copied with the name mapred site.xml. So you can find that in your Hadoop directory etc Hadoop, there is one file mapred site.xml template. So right now we don't have any mapred site.xml. So we are just copying this mapred site.xml from the template. So you can use this cp command template and maprate site.xml template, and we want to copy it as simple maprate site.xml. So from template we have this template file. From template file we are generating only maprate site.xml file. So this is copy. Now you open your maprate site.xml. So likewise we set yarn site.xml. Now we need to set maprate site.xml. So you just open your maprate site.xml with VI editor, and then you provide this property. So MapReduce framework.name. So between configuration tag you can provide this. Insert, paste. Okay, just escape, WQ, exclamatory. So our core site.xml is set, yarn is set, maprate site.xml is set. Next we need to set hdfs site.xml. So before setting hdfs site.xml, you need to create two directories. So hdfs store will be the directory where actual data will be stored for hdfs. So we are creating two directories. Hadoop, in my home folder I am creating Hadoop store and then hdfs, then name node, and Hadoop store hdfs, then data node. So just copying this command. mkdir-p and mkdir, we need data node. So in home folder you can find this. So home directory and Hadoop store is created, HDF is created, and data node, name node is created. That's it. So this is the path which we need to provide in hdfs site.xml. So open your hdfs site.xml with VI editor. hdfs site.xml, and here between the configuration tag you can provide these properties. So this sorry, in this property we are telling where is my data node, where is my name node, and what will be the replication factor. So now you need to check one thing. So replication is one, and you need to verify this. So in my case this is user, this is home, user, and Hadoop store. So just provide the correct path for your name node. So we just created two directory, name node and data node, and we are providing path for these here, name node and data node. So you just check according to your setup, your username, and my case it is done. So just coming out of it, WQ exclamatory, and So now everything is done, all 6 configurations are done. Now we need to format our HDFS. So you just give this command HDFS name node format, and when you give HDFS name node format, so it really formats your local directory which we just provided into HDFS. So this is done, formatting is done. Now we can start Hadoop. So start dfs.sh, and I'm becoming root user because I set path with root user, and I want to start my daemons using root user. So after becoming root user, you just provide dfs. So now you can see it is a starting name node and it is a starting data node. So if you set your path using normal user bash underscore profile, just use normal user for starting, otherwise just become root user and start your daemons. So start DFS is done. If you do JPS here, you can see all the running processes related to Hadoop. So name node is running, secondary name node is running, data node is running, and next step is we need to start yarn. So yarn start hyphen yarn.sh. So yarn daemons are also start. You just do JPS. So after data node, secondary name node, you can find node manager and resource manager. These are yarn specific. So it means all basic Hadoop daemons are running and your Hadoop installation done. Still you can verify using localhost port. So localhost 50070 is the default port for Hadoop, and if you see this site, so this is it means your Hadoop installation is successful if you are getting this. And this is for HDFS. One more port you can verify, which is 8088. So it means all applications are running. So if you see these two in your local host, it means your Hadoop is set and all daemon processes are running. So that's how we install Hadoop. If you like this video, please click on like button, please subscribe and share for more videos like this. Thank you.